Let's just wait for a few more people to come in before I put up my post. Just doing some information. I have to figure out how to upload. I'm part of the Discord, so I can give them suggestions. I want easier uploading for my whole thing for this. But here is the link. I don't know if that'll bring you to the exact page, whatever. Let me see if what it brings you to. I'm gonna open up a new page on Chrome. That's what I use for doing my live streaming. Let me see. Yes. Okay, it does. Cool. Cool. I'm gonna have to share this video onto Reddit. It's kind of sad. I might use YouTube for just live streaming. But at this very moment, I'm leaving. Now, right here, I have a list of reasons, slight change reasons, personal reasons. These may be caused due to this, but I do have changes that I don't like, things that have happened on the site recently that I do not like either, in such ways that affect the way I am doing this. If you guys could share this video with everybody, with like what West Sub Ever, stuff like that, I would very much appreciate it. And I know I post a few different like little personal things, but I am very well respected as someone who likes Kanye West. And the reason it says 14 is I chose a random number. You have to, the way they have naming, I don't like because you're not able to have spaces, all these other things. But this is the channel. It will have my me after they update the way you do it, because you need a URL for your icon. It's very confusing. But let's just wait for some people. Okay, dokie then. Been itching my back, gotta scratch my back. This side will be better. That's not that much better. But let's just go down the list. The most recent thing they're doing, and this goes on the way of neglecting Donald Trump and his YouTube channel and his videos by removing videos on Trump and the election fraud, which to me, they did bring up some decent evidence on um, election fraud that I believed to be proof. It was video of some people in Georgia in one of the places where they were doing the polling. There was a bunch of people observing the polling. They told them that they needed to leave, that everything was over. And once those people left, a lady came in bringing in a table with suitcases underneath that they brought out with ballots in them. It was on seat, the security footage captured right on camera. Boom. Proof. They want to get rid of that because they want to write the narrative. YouTube wants to show ads on small creators without paying them anything. Creators that are not able to, like me, and not pay us a dime. That is reason number 2. And and the one that I straight up can't stand, because the way they put ads, some videos, the ads are supposed to be in specific spots. Just like if you watch Nostalgia Critic, he has that little cut in between. That's where I think an ad is supposed to be. Um, but that, yeah. And they have a new way of targeting videos based on, they're going to be doing surveys, stuff like that, and targeting based on race. You can look that up yourself, but there's also a new way. They're going to starting soon, give people the option to look over their comment if they deem it offensive before you post it to make it sound better. You know, a comment might seem like harassment or offensive or mean, but it might just be a creative comment like, hey, you should have done this, but but you're stupid because you didn't do this. I'd be like, oh, because I didn't do this, I'm not as smart. Okay. Like, you're calling me stupid, but it's justified. I might get a little mad, but and there's going to be a little pop up that comes up. Don't ask about this. I cut my finger with a box cutter, not a very sharp one. And I cut my finger, like, sliced it with some very sharp tape. It was on a box. I ran my finger along it, and yeah. But YouTube also this year shadow banned PewDiePie, their number 1 YouTuber, who can't go on any other platform. He is trapped on the platform. Okay? I am not. I am moving and doing DTube. There's a few things that I want DTube to do. Please share this video, and everything. The other thing YouTube did around October-ish was take away views from content creators that had somewhere around 45,000 or more, maybe a little less. I don't know the exact numbers, but enough that the YouTubers wouldn't have fake views. They took away any of the views and money, and there were people that legitimately use YouTube as a paying job. This is why YouTubers do merch and sponsors, because YouTube isn't allowing us to get the money we need. And using DTube, they have a partnership program. They have a DCT, which is the amount, and then let's just see, confirm. Let's just send one and see memo. Hi. Okay. But DCT, VP, like, they have ways of sending you money. and I like that. Please share this video with anybody you know who loves my videos. Please. Because those were the reasons that I've seen so far, and I've been looking at alternatives for a while, and I know last time I said I would leave, but this time I'm saying I might just use this for live streaming. I'm not going to really upload just individual videos. I might do that in the other one. I'm looking at if DTube does do live streaming. They even have a Discord server that you can go and give them suggestions, other things. So they're really looking at the community. Okay. So I asked that, and it says a live rotocall is work in progress. So live streaming on there is a work in progress. So yeah. And my main personal reasons are on my main channel, this channel. I have had 2 videos age restricted for no valid reason. I looked at all the age restrictions, guidelines. I hate none of them. 2 of them. None. On my other one, my Christian one, Tell Her the Truth, I have had like either 3 or 4 videos age restricted, and a few of them were people age restricting them. I had them for no reason. There was nothing wrong with those videos. They were upwards, and each one was about 2 or 3 years old. So that kind of is pushing me over the edge due to the fact that YouTube just isn't caring about money, how people feel at all. And it bugs me because the way YouTube is treating their creators, to me, isn't right. And they should really do something. I'm gonna repost. Why isn't it? Oh, I don't have that. I have to select that again. Control C. Okay, here you guys go. Here's where I'm going to be doing videos. They are doing live streaming, but they said a live protocol is work in progress. Okay, I'll take screenshots. You guys can see they said it's a live protocol is work in progress. I don't know if it's flipped or whatever for you guys, but yeah. They say it's a work in progress. So I might only use YouTube for live streaming if you guys are watching this, because as far as I see, YouTube, and I'm just gonna go through what are the recommended videos. Okay. I'm gonna give you all of the recommended videos. I'm going to give you all of the recommended videos that are on YouTube at the very moment. Okay? I'm going to give you every trending video at this very moment that is in the trending section. And I'm going to tell you how many of those videos I would legitimately watch. Number 1, King Von, Wayne's Story. Official video, understandable. Then we have the Shallow and Bro. It's everything we like about Among Us 4. Then you have a soccer video. Then you have Mark Rober, Unbreakable Ice Cream Safe. How to Make Cool Stuff. I Made a Class. Then you have Corba. They have that whatever show about stupid Netflix show just there. Then you have GTA Online. Then you have the Dixie Damolo, how the fuck you pronounce? It's something with James Charles. Jack Harlow. Big Sheen, a Dude Perfect video, then a video, I did a thing, why did I build monoliths around the world? I think that's just a clickbaity thing. Then you got a Cyberpunk video, the Riverdale, then an Apple video, then an unbox therapy video, then a Hoonigan video. I might watch the unbox therapy video, but the Juice WRLD video I watched, the 21 Pilots video, I didn't watch, but I listened to the song. Just, it's mainly music, sports, and tech, and stuff about famous people. Yeah. Oh, yeah, and anybody like James Charles. Garbage. It is legitimately all garbage. This is not even anything that I would watch. You want to know what my videos are on my homepage? I have AI Angel, which is a artificial intelligence streamer and everything. Then I have a video about 2.5 Men. I really like that show and everything about it. I love the show. It's hilariously funny. So, you know, there's not much I can do about setting things straight, but I'm just showing you. Then I have a Charlie's video, how French people flex on each other from 2 months ago. I have a freaking reviews video. Then I have a recommended video for the Juice WRLD video, Remind Me of You. Then I have a Michael Noel's video, a Big Bang Theory video, the quartering video. I have a Roomy official video, and then I have title theme Crazy Frog Racer 2 video, and then I have a Lavish Luca video, which he really loves watching things about America, and I find it very entertaining. Then I have another video about 2.5 Men. This is later on in the season. This is when Walden Schmitz is in the show. I have a J-Way music video that is premiering on Friday at 12. Then I have a Watching the Throne, another 2.5 Men, Scott the Woz, Action Lab, Random Frank P. And then I have Liam Thompson, Montel Fish, Some Ordinary Gamers, and then another Charlie's video, and then I have the Dude Perfect video for some strange and odd reason recommended. Then I have another Lavish Luca, Jazza, The Quartering, another 2.5 Men, another Montel Fish video. This time it's Lord's Child, the topic thing. Then I have Terra Big Gaming, Geeks Plus Gamers, then another Roomy official, JX My High Roller video. Probably won't even watch that. Sometimes I think it's recommended to me that I will never watch. And then Cinemassacre, JX, Channel Awesome, The Retro Future, stuff like that I consistently click on these things. That I constantly watch and click on. Now, none of those videos are anywhere on the recommended on YouTube. None of them. Not a single one. I guarantee you will never in history, if I ever stayed on YouTube, you may see my channel blow up, me become famous, all that yada yada, but you'll never see me on the trending tab because I do not fit the bill to be on the trending tab at all. You want to know my history on YouTube? The last video that I watched that was not a searched video was about the new thing happening, was the quartering. Then I had mall delivers Nerf gun after video of Santa bringing boy to tears, yada yada. And then I have that was storyful rights management. Then I have Optimus get ready for the Galactic Federation. I did not finish that. Then I had another one talking about the monolith. That's another Optimus video. Then I had a Cherd Lee's video, then a lavish Luca, then my cousin to Hacker YT, then a Michael Knowles, the Action Lab. Then it was just a random subscribe. I didn't even finish watching it. It was Servants of Christ. Didn't even finish watching that. Then was another video, a 2.5 Men, another 2.5 Men. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2.5 Men videos. Watching the Throne video, and then I'm back to two videos of 2.5 Men, then a Ruslan KD video, a DS Warrior Waluigi Pinball Mario Kart 7 video, then 1, 2, 2.5, and then 2.5 Men videos, then a Daniel La Belly Bella, or how to pronounce his last name video, then a 2.5 Men, then a Montel Fish video, and then a couple then the album Camp Late Lukewarm, all those videos, and then another video, and then a video from Celia, I don't know how you pronounce the name. Then it was just a bunch of Christian music videos and all the yada yada. Stuff like that. Those were stuff that I actually searched up. But the most of those, like the 2.5 Men, all those other things were straight up recommended videos. Now I understand the 2.5 Men, their older videos are never going to show up on the recommended. But all the other videos I was looking at, most of them never show up on trending. 2.5 Men, I meant to say trending, not recommended, will never show up. Ever. Ever. I don't play for it tonight. The only way I will is if Nintendo were to add either Splatoon or Samus. Okay? Now, as I'm saying, is YouTube to me is straight up garbage. I can't stand YouTube at all at this very moment. And to me, it just bugs me. Everything that they're doing with changes to the system, I cannot stand them one bit at all. And I literally can't because it hurts every time. No, I won't, because I am Christian and that's how I've been raised and that's how I want to live life. But I don't care if you need me here to set things straight. I can't do anything. YouTube doesn't care about the small people. Neither does Trump, because if he did, he would have said something to YouTube and done things when they've been taking away our money and everything and our ability to grow smaller channels. You didn't spell that right whatsoever. I have the link to it. There you guys go. The live streaming, as I stated before, is a work in progress at the moment. They used to have it, but it wasn't working as well. But yeah. The only reason it says 14 and it isn't in capitals is because the way they do the naming. Some of that, but I'm gonna get into the things I'd like to see changed with DTube. What I would like to see changes to is how you upload an avatar, a cover photo. You have to add ULRs, and that's kind of difficult. Um, and I don't quite like that um feature, but they do have Discord servers that you can um look at, and there are people that are doing that. And it is, as you can see, and I'll show you guys. I've had 2 people tell me already right now that this is a work in progress. If you can see my comment, and then 2 comments. One is from someone works there, and that what I wanted to do was create a search engine, a type of Google Maps, possibly get in contact with a third-party app store to work with us, create our own Google, essentially, and take what the fans and the community want into. And I do want them to allow the names to be different. I want them to allow the icons for videos, different things to be a little better. I want them to have different update. They do have a reward system, and all that stuff like that. They're like hot videos. It's a tech video, a video on what can I use the ordinary lactic acid every day. Another video, I can't believe I'm doing this in 2021. Then there's another video, how to become a DTuber. Hex, interesting bearing time, smart contact, tips for doing exercise in cold weather, DTube working towards DTube's feature, DTC giveaway on Twitter, free speech, you heard of it. And then there was Jamaican coffee with at Skybuds20. And these are people with custom. Then there was one that's not even really appropriate. That's what they have to do. They have to create kids versions, stuff like that, just so. And what they should do is allow the community to say how they should do it. Give them tips. That's what I like about this Discord. YouTube would never do a Discord server that would give you updates where you can give suggestions and all that. There's like the suggestion box, and I'm going to put in the suggestion box. I'm just going to say, can we have channel logo and banner art uploads like YouTube? YouTube does. It would be so much easier. Boom. Done. like that, like painting vlog, a very smart case for my iPad. Let's just look up Kanye West. 10 months ago, free. There's Type Beats. Type Beats. Yandi. Type Beat. There's like Type Beats. Like if I looked up Travis Scott Type Beat, I find a buttload of like a re-upload video or something. But I find a few, not many. But if you're someone who's into making beats, click it, go to it, boom. That's the site I'm gonna be using. I asked my question. I'm gonna wait a little bit for my response. For it. And I'm not 100% quitting YouTube. I'm using YouTube mainly for the live streaming aspect, the watching aspect, because there is just that missing piece of creators on there. If I just look up trending tab, if I go to home video, like there's like the trending tab section is DTube Snap, skincare hacks, documentation, unboxing. The unboxing videos is a Falcon F3 quick release unboxing video with surprisingly for 483k videos. There's also unboxing my fake Apple keyboard with 830k videos. Like there's a lot. And the fact they have stuff like that, and I would like a better way of uploading and I'm just gonna say be able to have a username like Dr. Gamer. Like capital Dr.Awesome Gamer. Without numbers, with spaces, with a little like period there. And that's kind of stuff that I want. And they have it's called suggestion box. I don't know if this is reversed on your screen or not, but I like that aspect because it allows me to know that I can give them a suggestion. And if you guys want to start watching my videos, and one of my first videos is going to be probably this very live stream. Now, I did have a channel way back, but I decided to just start fresh. Because it's a hassle with doing all the thumbnail, all that stuff, the hassle. But I want you, if you guys have any suggestions on how to make the platform better, let me know. Because that you guys can go in and talk about that stuff, and I like that kind of stuff because it's very interesting and cool, and I like that better than there's not many in the unboxing section, but giving away, like there are new video, and then they even have a section which YouTube could do, but I do think that they could do a little better, but with stuff like that. But they do have, like, they tell you the new videos, stuff like that. And I want to see live streaming better, being able to do better names, being able to have Dr. Awesome with like how I have it spelled for YouTube. Um, I just sent them uh this wanna this is exactly what I sent. So basically what I said is, can we have channel logo and banner art uploads like YouTube does? It would be so much easier. And be able to have a username like, and then how I have Dr. Awesome spelled here on YouTube. It's how I have it spelled there. And I don't think it's that difficult to set up, because I think that they should take they take the suggestions. I think this should be something that YouTube should do. Now, one thing I am saying is that I think that they should have a system for like channel branches. One branch and like apps, like a specific branch that is um kid friendly, and what they do is they go through, and you guys can suggest other things they can do, but there's many things that I like about the site, and the fact that they have a thing for new update, the video uploads, like we have music, we have stuff about Mario. Um my my house burned down part 3, targeted individual. Like, we got new videos. They have they have leaders. Elect D2 leaders, okay? And you can vote on these specific YouTubers. And one of them does like re-uploads of like Bob Marley, live shows, uh, interviews, review videos. And these are people that are voted on. It's not, here's YouTubers we find that are most popular. They have trending videos, and by trending, they mean they're popular videos. They're not videos that are plopped on the main site automatically by somebody. These are videos. Here's videos that we think you people would like based on, these are new uploaded videos. These are new uploaded videos that are popular. That's how they give you the recommendations when you go on. It's, here's videos that are newly uploaded, that are very popular in the past week or two, and here's your videos. I like that a lot. If you guys have more comments, please comment them down. I've put it in the chat a couple times about the whole thing there, about the whole entire thing there, and I'm looking at that. And even if they start having like music stuff, what I want them to do is make a specific section for music, like a whole nother like DTube music. It's a specific music driven place only. You can put music on the regular DTube. Like, they could have DTube gaming. They could have DTube gaming, DTube for kids. DTube for like parents. It'd be stuff that mainly parents like or something. DTube music. And then the music could have subcategories for like Travis Scott, Kanye West, Roddy Ricch, Big Sheen, Juice WRLD, X, uh, Nicki Minaj, Brad. No, Brad. I don't know why I was gonna say Brad Pitt. I was gonna say Brad Paisley. I think he's a country singer. Kenny, or how the frick you say his name. Stuff like that. That they could do it like that, and hex is coins, code, stuff like that. It's not like hex. It's like a implant thing. But they have a partnership. It's creating video content is fun. However, it requires a lot of hard work and dedication. We would like to recognize our content creators' talent and hard work. We want our community to stay growing and vibrant. That is why we are introducing you a DTube Partnership Program. DTube Partnership Program gives qualified creators the ability to build and grow their community with delegating voting power. DTube Partnership Program can start earning DTube coins while they are building up their community in DTube and reward the fresh content creators and onboard users. To apply to our, go to this. This is going to bring me to .d. Then I just click next. Do you have a DTube account? Yes. DTube username, Dr. Awesome Gamer 14. Next. Short summary. I talk about the world and things like music, movies, and video games. Now you've seen me talk about movies, video games, all on this channel. What do you want to achieve with the achieve on DTube with the partnership program? And I'm looking at the partnership. With the partnership program thing, I understand it somewhat, but DTube partnership program. Okay, we'll give okay. The reason DTube account would have too much control over the rankings because of slow distribution of the team share and airdrop. 12 and 6 months, respectively. DTube is entrusted with a lot of voting power. We would like to use this power for the benefit of content creators instead of farming with it. Who has benefited approved applicants will have a referral link going to DTube sign up. You will need to share this link with your fan base / community. We will transfer voting power from DTube on into your account. Using that voting power on your referrals, comments, or videos will earn you DTube coins, as well as, and I'm going to actually just highlight the word DTube coins right now. I'm going to quickly, if I can get the dang thing, I'm going to click copy, and I'm going to click V, and I'm going to search what DTube coin is, and then it shows, it's going to, here's the thing, it's going to tell me exactly what, okay. Media platforms can't be trusted anymore. Their inability to moderate content efficiently, protect user privacy, and operate with transparency broke trust with users, aka describing YouTube 100%. It's like the funniest thing. It described YouTube like 101% accurately. Like, no joke. It described YouTube right there. It said the target of advertising model requires to ever increase personal data collection, add pressure, and promote the content virtually over quality throughout suggested algorithm. New model, so the social blockchain. By replacing advertising with the social blockchain concept, DTube chain offers a new model on transparency, user empowerment, and fairness as experts in cryptography. That's a hard word to say. I'm just gonna check my phone, see if I got anything with Discord. Did I get anything with Discord? Or is it just more YouTube recommendations? Okay. I don't want to put my phone on the charger set, but we created DTube, a new video sharing platform that rewards each user's social contributions with a utility token, the DTube coin. DTube is ad-free, 100% powered by the community, and 90% of the value created goes to its users. DTube is already a hit in 20 months. One video shared every 3 minutes, 189,000 registered creators, 2.1 million monthly unique visitors, 1.1 million distributed to the community. I think once they have a better way of doing the icons for video for the YouTube, like how YouTube has for uploading your channel art for like your banner and all that, I think that DTube will skyrocket into significantly humongous places that nobody can ever imagine completely because of all that. Imagine better than YouTube completely. Because of that, I think we'll see the platform skyrocket into things that we've never seen. This is the principle of the chain. Users on DTubers, are rewarded with DTube coins each time they publish an original content or share a video from the web, but also for voting, tagging, and commenting a video. Build trust. A new ecosystem built on trust, transparency, and immutability. Social media private conglomerates offer no transparency on algorithm content distribution, revenue sharing, and the use of personal data. It's pretty much YouTube. DTube and the DTube chain are built on cryptography, transparency, open source, and desensitizer, or just basically the opposite, pretty much. The content moderation and curation, 100% operated by DTubers to protect advertisers' brand images and increase the advertising catalog. Automated suggestions algorithms favor virtually in spite of content quality and diversity. Automation also provided inefficient in moderating inappropriate content. DTube offers the best videos of the web, 100% curated by DTubers, posts, upvoting, and tags. Well, monetization is operated by millions of DTubers downvotes. So it's pretty much like an extension of Reddit with the upvotes, downvotes, kind of likes, dislikes. A platform 100% ad free. Thanks to its tokenized business model, DTube is 100% ad free and do not collect any personal data from its users. The only stuff I'd like them to get personal data wise is so they can recommend you videos. I wouldn't mind that. I don't think you guys would mind if they did that. You guys can comment on the live stream. I keep going back and forth, but a new key player, the curator on DTube, content creators use their skills to reveal the best videos of the web by posting a link of a third-party video website and by voting and tagging the most relevant videos posted on DTube. By playing this curation game, curators try to grow their influence power by earning DTC tokens, that's DTube coin tokens, through their posts, votes, and tags. The mechanism reward influence in a new way that hasn't existed before. And then it says protecting creators. On DTube, creators post their original creations to a censorship resistant, decentralized infrastructure, and a moderation is operated by millions of users who block inappropriate content and obvious copyright infringement. Kind of how what YouTube tried to do, but failed at in that system. Now, a way YouTube could do this is if you show, say you created a fan music video of a song, you would have to show like project videos. You would show project videos. Like you would, I would recommend. I am going to, if any of you are part of West Sub Ever, my subreddit, I'm going at the moment. When I'm done with this stream, I'm going to have a quick snack, and I'm going to post DTube. There is a unofficial app. I am going to ask for a suggestion about creating an app. I also want them to update the way the site looks. It kind of looks bland and like a knockoff, trying to do its own thing. But what I want them to do is add premieres like if they want people to be able to help program stuff, there's probably people they could find across the internet that would help and all that and everything. I'm just talking to someone else. Okay. Says no demonetization or abusive censorship like YouTube. Direct support from fans, votes, and donates without monetization thresholds. DTube sponsorship program for original content videos. 90% of all revenue goes to DTubers. Premium access content 2020. And they're saying YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and Snapchat targeted advertising trust a private conglomerate. Automated favors virtuality and shows influenced in monitoring inappropriate content, intrusive ad pressure, massive collection of personal data, DTube tokenized audience expression, trusted math and cryptography, community-powered content, popularity, upvotes, and monetization, downvotes, and classification tags is determined. No ads and no collection of personal data. The only slight little bit I'd like is so that they can recommend you videos similar to what you already watch. I wouldn't quite mind that, and I don't think anyone really would mind that. DTube coins, a utility token for video. For players, hold your DTC to post, vote, comment, tag, and earn videos. Live. For fans, live support your creators and curators with the donate feature. For advertisers, live burn DTC to promote videos on the platform. Spend your DTC to access premium content. How does it work? DTC equals VIP access, VIP actions, upload, like, comment, and tag. And there's a whole thing you can watch, the whole thing, airdrop, yada, yada, yada. The roadmap. So, my plans. I don't really quite do that. As I was saying, I'm going to attempt to upload, and I'll this video when it's done. I'm going to download it and re-upload it to my DTube if I can. So as I was going and doing on the thing, I have the partnership. What do you want to achieve with the partnership program? A better video uploading experience. A better video streaming experience. Upload experience that isn't YouTube. Okay, I just said a better video streaming experience that isn't YouTube. How many real users do you think you can get on board from your existing fan base on new DTube? Okay, comment away. I don't really have a favorite YouTuber. I just find a lot of people. I just get their videos recommended, and then I start watching and watching and watching, and then they just pop in, stuff like that. But I'm just gonna say between 100 and 1,000, I can get on board with this, and I want you guys to start doing DTube, okay? Submit, boom. Your response has been recorded, boom. So it is now set up and everything for DTube to have stuff like that. Now, I'm going to make a quick little list here. I'm going to create some checkboxes down the side. I'm going to create a little thing here, and these are going to all be little like checkboxes. I'm going to just draw little lines. These are going to be all my checkboxes. See, all my rectangular checkboxes. And there even is ASMR on this. We need more type beats. We need people to create type like track beat. We need more music people. music creators. We need more music creators, gamers. We need more animators. We need more spontaneous video, more tech channels, more comedy, more, more comedy channels, and we need more comedy channels. Anything you guys can think of that we could use more of on the platform. Um, some videos are re-uploaded from YouTube, but I'm not going to specifically state that all of them are just straight from YouTube and everything. And you can actually give money, reply to comments, and everything. And I think that doing this allows for so much. And my goal for this is to give you a different experience than YouTube. Now, we need music creators, how-to videos, and in parentheses, like, like, I don't know, I'll put DIY as a separate one. DIY videos. Um, we need re, uh, reaction videos. Reaction videos. We need the reaction videos. Reaction videos. We need reviewers. I'm gonna put movie movie reviewers, music reviewers, music reviewers. If you guys can think of anything else we can use, please comment. Also share this video. I'm soon gonna stop, have a snack, maybe go in for a shower before I post anything else. As I'm looking through, we could use some more. We have a few vlog, but we can use more vlogs. Use more vlog videos. We could use I'm just looking through. More art channels. We have, so far we got music creators, gamers, animators, tech channels, comedy, how-to videos, DIY, reaction videos, movie reviewers, music reviewers, vlogs, art channels, we need, and when there's live streaming, we need live streamers, we need, that's all I can really think of, but we just need a lot more stuff onto the actual platform, in terms of getting it to be close to, like, YouTube standards, in my opinion, and everything. And stuff like that, and yeah, that's how I personally feel on the matter. If you guys have anything, leave some comments down below. Go check out this video on DTube, specifically, on DTube, and I will see you guys next time. Peace, suckers!